Hi students, let us see the example 1.37. Solve the system. Here x plus y minus 2z equal to 0, 2x minus 3y plus z equal to 0, 3x minus 7y plus 10z equal to 0, 6x minus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. So we have to find the solution for the given equation. Here the number of unknowns is 3, but the number of given equation is 4. Isn't it? One condition is there, m greater than n, then the number of equation is more than the number of unknowns. What is that? Row of A is equal to row of augmented matrix less than or equal to n. Suppose if you are going to show this less than or equal to n, if we are going to show this, the given system has trivial solution. Okay, the given system has trivial solution. First you write augmented matrix 1 1 minus 2 2 minus 3 1 3 minus 7 10 6 minus 9 10. To find the rank of augmented matrix, we have to apply elementary row operation on this augmented matrix. It can be transformed into row echelon form. Suppose if you are finding the row echelon form, from that row echelon form easily we can write the rank of the augmented matrix, isn't it? For that, R2 gives R2 minus 2R1, R3 gives R3 minus 3R1, R4 gives R4 minus 6R1. We just do one by one. R2 minus 2R1. See what it will come. R4 minus 6R1. 2 minus 2 into 1 equal to 0. Minus 3 minus 2 into 1 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. 1 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 5. R3 minus 3 R1. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 7 minus 3 into 1 minus 10. 10 minus 3 into minus 2. 2 minus into minus plus 16. R4. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 9 minus 6 into 1 minus 15. 10 minus 6 into minus 2. 10 minus into minus plus 12, 22. Just to transform the augmented matrix. 0 minus 5 5 0 0 minus 10 16 0 minus 15 22 0. We have to reduce this augmented matrix into row echelon form. In first column below the pivot element, other than the pivot element, all the entries should be 0. In second column, these two entries should be 0. In third column, this entry should be 0, isn't it? So, see, now I am going to transform this R3 plus 2R2, R4 plus 3R2. Next, I am going to divide this R3 by 6 and R4 by 7, R2 by R2 minus 5. 1, 1 minus 2, 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. We are getting this, isn't it? What is the last row is 0 row. Remaining 3 rows are non-zero rows. So the rank of augmented matrix is 3. We have to find the rank of coefficient matrix. You just take these 3 rows into 3 columns. If you are going to find the determinant value, minus 30 plus 7, minus 30 plus 7 minus 1 into 20 minus 3 minus 2 into minus 14 plus 9 minus 23 minus 1 into 17 minus 2 into minus 5 minus 23 minus 17 plus 10 minus 40, 10 is equal to minus 30, not equal to 0. So the rank of the coefficient matrix is equal to 3. What is our main condition? M greater than n. The number of equation is more than the number of unknowns. Suppose if you are applying elementary row operation on the augmented matrix, we are getting row of A is equal to row of augmented matrix is equal to n or less than or equal to n. Here we are getting 3. So the system has trivial solution only. That is the condition. Already we have seen, suppose m greater than n, then there are number of equations more than the number of unknown means. Suppose if you are going to reduce the augmented matrix by using the elementary row operations, we get row of A equal to row of augmented matrix equal to n or less than or equal to n. It is known as the consistent and it has trivial solution only. Thank you.